Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shutter token from Project Shutter. Ticker symbol is SHU, and it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, February 28th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So this is an Ethereum token. There is a max total supply of 1 billion tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. This token already has 1,857 holders, so they're off to a good start here. ERC20 token, and it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, February 28th at 8 o'clock UTC time, which has already passed, so it's already up there now. This token just got listed on Poloniex. So if you want to get this token, one of the ways you can get it is by downloading Poloniex from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search their ticker symbol SHU, and then simply just buy the token. So that is one way to get this token here. And another one, if Poloniex is not available in your area, because it's not available in everybody's country, but if it isn't available in your area and you want to get this token, Uniswap tokens can be acquired in a decentralized way from Ethereum. Did I say Uniswap already? Ethereum tokens can be acquired in a decentralized way from Uniswap. That's what I meant to say. So yes, you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Shutter token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage. If you go to projectshutter.com/revenue share, you'll find all the links over there. And then you can find their GitHub over there. You can find there's a blog, forum, socials. They have a Telegram. They have all sorts of information on their page here. So their Telegram has 2,104 members. Shutter.network looks like it's their official webpage, but they have a couple different web pages. They also have Medium articles or blogs, I guess you could find. It's not on Medium. It doesn't look like it. It's just a blog. It says blog.shutter.network is another page where you can find tons of information over there. And so, yeah, that's how you get the token. Poloniex as of today, or Uniswap if Poloniex is not available in your area, or if you just want to get it in a decentralized way. So introducing the Shutter network, combating front-running and malicious MEV using threshold cryptography. So MEV is short for minor extractable value, MEV, and front-running are widely recognized to be among the final unresolved fundamental issues in the blockchain space. There are now hundreds of millions of dollars of documented MEV, most of which is tremendously harmful for users and traders. This problem will inevitably become more devastating over time and eventually could even pose a fatal obstacle on our community's path to mainstream adoption. We would like to introduce the Shutter Network, an open source project that aims to prevent front-running on Ethereum by using a threshold cryptography-based distributed key generation protocol, aka DKG. Its first Initiation will be a simple drop-in solution for smart contracts. A testnet version of this system will be released on Goerli shortly. MEV and front-running. The term MEV was coined by Phil Dayan and describes revenue that block producers can extract by selecting, injecting, ordering, or censoring transactions. The MEV extracted in 2020 alone was worth more than $314 million. And that is only a lower bound. Oftentimes, the MEV is not captured by the block producers themselves, but rather by independent entities using sophisticated bots. An important subset of MEV is the revenue extracted by so-called front-running, an attack that is illegal in traditional markets but uncontrolled in the crypto space. A front-runner watches the network for transactions that are worth targeting. As soon as they find one, they send their own transaction trying to get included in the chain beforehand. They achieve this by paying higher gas prices, operating world-spanning network infrastructure, being a block producer themselves, or paying one via a back channel. The most frequent victims of front-running attacks are traders on decentralized exchanges. Front-running makes them suffer from worse prices instead of being fairly rewarded for the information they provide to the market. On the other hand, front-runners siphon off profits from their victims in a nearly risk-free fashion without contributing anything useful to the system. A simple example of this are arbitrage transactions benefiting from the price difference of the same asset on two different decentralized exchanges. Front runners regularly copy these kinds of transactions from other market participants and execute them earlier, reaping the rewards, whereas original traders come away empty-handed. Besides exchanges, many other applications can be affected as well, including bounty distributions and auctions, importantly because they rely on voting governance systems which represent a large and fast-growing field within Ethereum, and they are prone to front-running and could face significant challenges without a system that protects against these types of attacks. In traditional finance, front-running can be curbed somewhat via regulation or oversight by various trusted intermediaries and operators. In permissionless decentralized systems, this is not the case, so it might be a strategic blocker to mainstream crypto adoption. Which brings us to the solution, which is Shudder, obviously, a system that solves the front running on Ethereum and should meet the following requirements. It must be decentralized. Ignoring this property would make the whole point of using blockchains meaningless. It must be efficient. The solution should be gas efficient in order to keep transaction fees low. It must not require base protocol charges. Ideally, front running should be prevented at the base layer. However, such a protocol change would take a long time to implement. As a community, we don't want to wait too long. Shudder is designed to be such a solution. Decentralized, efficient, and practical. Projects can adapt their existing smart contracts with little effort and without waiting for an Ethereum protocol update. Shudder allows users to send encrypted transactions in a way that protects them from front runners on the path through the dark forest. This metaphorical hunting ground of front runners for each transaction that they must cross. For example, a trader could use Shudder to make their order opaque to front runners, which means attackers can neither determine if it's a buy or a sell order, nor which tokens are being exchanged or at which price. The system will only decrypt and execute a transaction after it has left the dark forest and is included in the block. So that is what they're aiming for, is to basically, so these front runners cannot see what type of transaction it is, so therefore they can't do anything about it. And yeah, so they have big articles about this. If you go to shudder.network, that's their main page, they have forums, blogs, DAO section, home section, contact, GitHub, Telegram, Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up here as usual. And you could subscribe, stay in touch. It's like a newsletter there. All sorts of information on there. So they got their partners, all these things on here as well. Check it all out, and this token just got listed on Poloniex as of today, and if you don't like Poloniex or you can't use it, you can get this token also off Uniswap and probably other places in the future. So go check out Shudder. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Check out all the referral codes down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.